Hey, welcome to Think Creative TV. My name is Matt Pullen and I am your host for all things iPad in the classroom. Please, if you haven't already subscribed, tap on the subscribe button here and you can get up-to-date information on all of my new videos. Let's get stuck into one now. Okay, so in this video we are going to look at creating our Memoji graduation picture. It's that time of year where people are going to start thinking about their graduation, and although things are a little bit strange at the moment, it might still be nice to be able to create something which commemorates, the ending of courses that people have put an awful lot of time into. So let's get going. First of all, we're going to start in messages, and we're going to send a message just to ourselves. And I'm doing this on an iPad 7th Gen just to show how easy this is to do on most of the iPads, iPhones that you can have access to. I don't have the Memoji Live video kind of creation tool, but I still have the stickers. So I've created just a little Memoji myself, and lots here that we can choose from. There's our old friend, the laptop one. I'm going to choose a different one for this, something really nice and positive. They've got like the thumbs up one, looks really good. And we're just going to send that across to ourselves. Now, another quick tip here, once that's sent to yourself, if you just tap and hold, you can drag it, grab hold of it, open up Keynote, start a new presentation. I've still got my little Memoji here in my hand. Choose a blank presentation and just simply drop that in. I've still got access to that. Next thing is I'm just going to get rid of the text that's on the screen. Here we go, and then I can make my Memoji nice and big on the screen. So again, just there's so many different ways that you can access your Memoji just by dragging, dropping, cropping, pasting, sending it to yourself and saving it to your photo library. All sorts of ways. That's just one other way. Okay, so I've got my Memoji here. Next thing I'm going to do is go up to plus, go into shapes, tap on the search and just type in mortar. So I get my mortar board. And what I'm going to do now is kind of just play around with the style, play around with the sizing, just to get this to look really, really neat, as if it's actually on my head as my Memoji. A little bit in there, I think that looks great. And then with a couple of style changes you can change to this. Okay, yeah, I could just color it in, but you're going to see through the gap because of the way this shape has been created. So what I'm going to do is keep that shape selected, tap on the paintbrush, go to arrange, tap on break apart. This now means I've got the mortar board in two parts. I'm going to change the color on that bottom part, the bit that's connected to my head. Go to fill, gradient. I'm just going to play around a little bit with just the shading, just to make it look, a little bit different. And with this top part, I'm actually going to move it down to fill that gap, just so it bridges over the top, so you don't see that gap between. And again, go into fill, go into gradient, and just play around maybe with just another couple of those shades of grey through black. Just have it stand out a little bit more. I'm just going to close that just a little bit more. There we go. Last thing, tap on your image, tap on the shapes, tap group, and here we now have our nice little picture. Now, same as before, if I want to use that, if I just open up photos, drag and drop, tap and hold on that picture, drag it over here to recents, you'll see that that's now created that as a picture without the backdrop, so I can use that on all sorts of things, send it as a well done, congratulations cards. It could be all sorts of things. You can use it in presentations, so much, but just a really, really nice way to play around with creating your own Memoji graduation picture. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click a like. Please subscribe if you're new to this channel. It'd be great to be able to share with you some of the new videos that I'm creating. And I'd love to hear your comments in the comment section below. I do read them all. And if they're great comments that need a response, I'm going to respond to you as well. Thanks a lot.